So we're going to take a look at Coty today. So we're going to go over an overview of the stock. We're also going to go over the financials and how good or how good it's not an investment. And so stay tuned. I've got a whole lot of surprises for you. Welcome to Tomorrow Venture Investing. All right, without further ado, let's dive into it, shall we? Going over to Coty, we have base makeup, lipstick, CoverGirl brands, and things like that. We're going to go over to some of their brands, which is what I found a discovery of. I didn't know. Adidas, really? They own Adidas. They own a lot of brands, actually. CoverGirl, Calvin Klein, Rimmel, Gucci. Tiffany Company. Of course, I knew that one. But, they're just bunches of brands. So, what are they selling for a stock price today? Well, they're at $8.05 at the time of this recording. And their 52-week low was $6.22. With a 52-week high of $11.12. They also have 14 analysts covering this stock, which are a bag of mixed results due to, 7 of them are bearish, and 7 of them are bullish on the stock. And why are they so bearish and bullish? Well, let's go over to the technical analysis point of view. So, the technical analysis point of view of Coty is, their trend lines on the percent K is down into the oversold, and they have tons of negative selling volume. They are all below all 4 lines of their moving averages at the moment. So, right now would be a great time to hit that like and subscribe button if you're not done so already. I appreciate that. Well, we can see that there was a gap up, but it has then filled back up. See where the price has already met pretty quickly, so could have shorted the stock at that moment. Going over to their financials, because I don't really see much other than that going. We noticed in the fourth quarter of 2021, they missed by apparently a lot, 54%. They did meet by a positive of 5 cents. Now, mind you, February 8th, they're going to do their quarter announcement. So, going over to the income statement and see what we see here. Total revenue is pretty much in line as previous years, with an exception of 2017 and 2018. But as we take a closer look at revenue from 5 years, which would be the 2017 mark right now, it is, it increased there, but it has been on a decline ever since, though the decline has lightened a little bit. In the trailing 12 months, they're up a little bit. So on there, outstanding shares, are they diluting shareholders? Now, going back to 2015 and with the report of 2021, yeah, they are issued out almost double, 50% of the shares, but they have diluted from 2020 to 2021 about 10 million shares. Well, that's more about 5 million shares. And so slightly diluting, but still nevertheless diluting. Going over to the balance sheet, we want to go to total debt, which looks like they got $6.8 billion in debt as of 2021. That is a decline from $9 billion in debt. So they are paying back some of it and decreasing that. And as we check out the cash flow statement, considering their $6.8 billion in debt, their cash from operating activities is If you add up the previous 5 years, you've got about 2.3 billion, and as well as their free cash flow is at 270 million. They took a big hit in 2020. We all should know why. And I don't know what happened in 2018. So maybe they acquired some of the brand or something. But with their 6.8 billion in debt, that's a whole lot of debt compared to what it looks like they're bringing in. So I'd be really concerned about that. Then we go over to the statistics that look like they were profitable, PE ratio, but no more PE after that. They're not a profitable company at the moment. So taking all this in, what we have here is $8 a share price for the stock at the moment. But with the amount of debt that the company has, and with the volatility of the market as it stands today right now, with fears of inflation, possible a market decline, a disruption ahead, or is ongoing at the moment. Some of us already have felt that pain. I think all of us might have already felt that pain. But I think if one was looking to pick up some shares of Coty, I think price target would be about $6, give and take the possible market volatility. And I believe it can drop to that as the market becomes more unstable. People will be abandoning stocks such as this. So be on the lookout for that, and I appreciate it. Hey, thanks for watching Tomorrow Venture Investing. If you've not done so, hit the like button and subscribe. And also, if you like, leave a comment. Let me know if you enjoyed this video or not. According to the YouTube algorithm, they suggest you should watch this video next. And I want to take this time out to thank you. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. I appreciate it.